perreo me monta en la ruta.
Dímelo, yo.
Par de gatilleros y huele a gran puta.
Hey, what's up, guys, and welcome to another episode of SLED Podcast Live, where we analyze charts, where we show you TA, we teach you how to trade, we talk about news, and just general bullshit in general. So make sure you hit that follow and like. We noticed a monumental growth, guys. We got like 150 new followers. We're on the way to 1,000, so please help us out. Get us there, get us to 1,000 subscribers. We noticed that over 60% watch us but don't subscribe, so please hit that follow. What's up, guys? How's it going?
Hello, guys. Thank you for that appreciation. Don't forget to push that subscribe button. It helps us a lot. Keeps us motivated.
Hell yeah, motivation, it really does. Like, especially when we wake up in the morning and I just check the YouTube studio and it's like, boom! I'm like, fuck yeah. It's great. All right, should we dive into a little bit of news before we jump into charts?
Of course.
All right, so Bitcoin hit over 72K for the first time ever. Ethereum is sitting comfortable at 4K for the first time in 2+ years, which is pretty crazy. Now, the big question, of course, in everyone's mind is, will that momentum continue? And we'll get into that in just a little while. But another few cool things is the Duncan upgrade for Ethereum. It was supposed to be, I think, end of last month, but as usual, there was a delay. So it's scheduled to release on March 13th in 2 days. And so that upgrade will significantly reduce gas fees for Ethereum Layer 2 rollups like Optimus, Arbitrum, Polygon, etc. Then we got a lot of token unlocks. About 2.7 billion worth of tokens are set to be unlocked this week, including Arbitrum tokens, 2.29 billion of them, APT tokens, 327 million, 36 million in APE tokens will be unlocked this week. And US macro data is showing us a ton of crucial inflation data, February CPI data, retail sales data, jobs data, etc. are being released. March, there's a Fed meeting next week, so we'll see what they're going to say about that. And also, let's talk about weekly inflows. Weekly inflows from the year start to now are totaling 10.3 billion and just shy of yearly record of 10.6 billion set in 2021. Sol broke a whole bunch of records. BTC led the way with 99% of inflows, basically. Yeah, that's it. Let's jump into charts. What do you guys think about Sol, by the way, before we jump into charts? CryptoG, you like that shit? Are you accumulating Sol?
No, I don't have any feelings towards any crypto. I just look at the chart and that's it.
Simply trade, right?
Every day.
Yeah, I try to be like that too. But there are. What about you, Since? You're into Sol?
I kind of use Sol regularly to take helium minor benefits, but so I try and buy it when it's stable or buy it low, save it for a week. I don't like Sol. Yeah. It's always down.
That's right. I keep forgetting that helium switched to Sol a while ago. I keep forgetting that, but that makes sense. I personally don't like Sol. I voiced my reasons for it many times, mainly because the network is so unreliable. And literally the most crucial moments when you need some Sol to take off some NFTs, for example, or do some kind of transfer, and you need that Sol from your Binance or whatnot, and the server is down, and then on top of the hacks of the system, and also, you know, the three main devs, owners of Sol, I don't like them either. But anyways, look at some charts. Can you guys see this chart well? Or should I put us down here?
No, it's better, okay. Right? It's all right.
All right, so here on the 128-minute chart, we're doing some Gann analysis. We're coming up to a turning point. Should be around here at 110, 125% time. This could very well be the turning point 5 that we're all looking for. So if this is correct, then this would be a turning point 5. We just got to wait for it to develop. On the 32-minute, we're already starting to develop. As soon as we get out of kill zone, we're going to get a confirmation of a turning point 5. The way I know it's a turning point is because of birthday circles. And if you guys don't know what those are, you can join our Discord and ask all the questions you want and how we analyzed these charts. We all have different technique. I mostly analyze Gann, square of 9, Gann fans, all that jazz. CNC here does a lot of smart money concepts, or sorry, not CNC, Crypto G, and CNC does a little bit of everything, right?
Since you're muted, unmute yourself.
So I just spent like a couple stressful hours with Red there the other day, learning all about fair value gaps and how to find, like, they're literally everywhere, but you need to find the ones that count.
You need
I
to
think he's
know
gonna
which ones to enter.
yeah, he's about to show us a little bit of that later. It was quite good.
Absolutely. So let me just explain a little bit of the arcs here, just before we jump into a different chart. So on the way on the move up here, we got out of the kill zone. So in an up setup, we place a turning point in the first initial impulse, right? And the first initial impulse can be detected by analyzing a lower time frame from the one you're looking at. So we're looking at 128. So 32-minute would have had to come in, see a turning point 10. And 128-minute is turning point 4. They both came in, a big impulse up. So then the first double arc is main resistance for downtrends. We went right through it. Second double arc has less resistance and X more support. We went right through it, and you can see it started supporting our price action. Then the third double arc has strong resistance and its first major target. So this would be your first major target. However, we knew that we're going to go higher up, again, because of birthday circles. I'm not going to get into details on why that is, but you can ask in our Discord. And now we're on the way to the fourth arc. And the fourth double arc has less resistance and X more support. But we are already at 100% time. We're past 100% time. And in this quadrant, we should be in a big cluster of birthday circles where a turning point should be a turning point, basically. So we're going to see how this plays out. Also, guys, take into consideration that each one of these horizontal lines and each one of these diagonal lines where the price can change its trend state at any moment, from long to short and from short to long. So if the price keeps developing kind of sideways to here, we're going to hit this diagonal line, and hopefully we're going to start turning the turning point 5. Also, this price, which is 72852, or depending on the exchange, obviously, but it also falls in line with Ganzilla. Let's see if I can try and share that with you guys, your entire screen. There we go. Sorry, I got a whole bunch of errors here, but if you can see here, 72711 over here. Fuck off. All right, anyway, 72711 was one of the levels. Also, another key level is 74411. And 7411 just happens to, if the price keeps developing up, happens to be here, 74411, exactly in the intersection right here. But that would mean we would have to be at, like, 140% time. And there's not a big cluster of birthday circles there. We're supposed to do the turn here, so I think we're more likely to touch this Gann fan instead of this intersection here, and this is a key level as well. That's it for Gann. If you have more questions about Gann, join our Discord. I'm going to try to explain a little bit more and more with each live how I come up with these numbers and stuff. I'll show you the turning points, but that's that. CNC, I mean, Crypto G, why do I keep calling you CNC? You want to show us some charts? What you come up with on Bitcoin? Do you have anything on Bitcoin? Anything fresh? Any fair value gaps? Anything like that?
Yeah, of course. One moment.
It's probably the shades, man. It's the shades. You get them.
Star X, I assume he's talking about Sol. He says it also has no maximum supply, which makes it a bit bad. Sol doesn't have a maximum supply? Solana point market cap. Oh yeah, it's infinite. Yeah, because of the yeah. You're right. I mixed it up with
infinite supply on Sol.
Yeah.
Oh, that's fucked.
Yeah, it is. It is. It's absolutely fucked.
Okay. All right.
Thanks for that, StarX. Thanks for that reminder.
Yeah.
What are we looking at?
Let's see some charts.
Let's see some charts. Adding you to stage. Boom.
All right. So straight ahead. Wait, this is way too extended. Let's see this. Let's see this. All right. So one more thing to do here. On a daily. This to this. Okay. All right, guys. So we're gonna do some live TA just to see my thought process behind every trade that I have. All right. Very nice, very nice. I already see the long opportunity that will come in the near future, matching kind of with crypto Ukrainians TA. Ain't gonna lie, man.
Sorry, I was just posting our YouTube link. What did you say?
Yeah, my TA kind of matches with your TA at the moment.
That's very good. That's very good to see some confluence from other
value area
TAs.
Hi. Previous range value area high. Okay. One second. One second. Okay. Okay, guys. So what we are looking at right now, as you see, first let's start here in this first section. We had this previous range, the value area high, point of control, and value area low. And what we look at right now, as you see, all of this area, this is this here. This is like imbalance. This is insufficient price action. Price must come back here, correct itself to these areas, and mainly you're looking for entries. If you're looking for longs, in this case, you're looking below 50% area. In other language speaking, equilibrium, if I spell it right. So yeah, how you
Balance.
find it? Yeah, how you find it? You take a Fibonacci on daily or whatever, and you pull it
Fibonacci.
from chill, Dennis.
Sorry.
And you pull it and you pull it from like low to the high of the previous day candle. As you see, we have new daily open. Mark the daily open as usual, and then you looking at from the lower time frame and you're looking at below 50% area to find your entries. And as you see, we have this nice fair value gap. I believe it's matching with CME gap on CME chart. Wait, let me just put it a little bit lower. Yeah, like this. So what do we have here as confluences? Previous range value area high from this range, bigger single print slash fair value gap, previous daily open, and previous daily open, value area high, single print, and 618 Fibonacci, 60% of retracement from yesterday's candle, from yesterday's move up. So this would be like a really, really good place to look for longs. Wait for price to trace, and then look for higher, taking out these highs.
Let's see something. So where's your 68973?
Wait, what?
Your
What are you talking about?
618? Your 618, if it gets there, what's the price of it? 669
69200, you can say it like that.
Let's just take a quick look at something here. So if this is our turning point, 69 you said, right?
69 200 ish.
69 200. So that would make us in a bullish 69, 200.
150, 100.
Yeah, so if our price starts going down like this, it has to yeah, that's just the kill zone, yeah. So in particular, we're going to be looking for turning point 6 somewhere around here. And if we're looking for turning point 6, it's going to be somewhere in this quadrant right here. Yeah, so that would be that would be an easy target. If this is a turning point, this is a very easy target. We're more looking for target 2 as well as this. This is a very good target. And this is a big move. This is a big move. Like if you catch this move, we're going to be looking at a price at 64, and we're also going to be looking at 59 as our main target. 59,616, 59,584, somewhere around there. Somewhere around there would be nice. We'll see. Yeah, let's go back to your chart.
Okay, let's see some other indicator that I have. Okay, yeah, I like it. Let's get some more price action in it. Something like that.
And again, guys, just to reinforce something here, the reason our targets, someone's targets are smaller, someone's targets are bigger, because we're all different traders, right? Some of us like intraday trade, some of us position trade, some of us scalp, whatnot. It's all different. It's all different
Techniques of trading.
TPs, all different techniques. So don't take this as calls, guys. Take this as information. Know how to trade. Know what we were talking about, and then make your own decisions.
So yeah, other components that I have for it to bounce up. As you see, guys, this is visible range volume profile. What it is you see spikes like this small one, but this small one is like it's really good at support. Like this here, you can expect price. Wait, let me just do like that. It'd be easier to understand what I mean. Let's just clone this like this, and yeah, like this. So as you see, this spike, the small one, let's delete this. Matching, yeah, you can say it's one more confluence added to overall confluences, as many as I mentioned. So this could be like a spike, like the move. This will be the place that will make the price move up. First TP would be like maybe this area, yeah, this area, like 72, 200, 200-ish, because this is another spike in volume. And if this don't hold, and if this doesn't hold, then there is this spike in volume. But we need to see like this. I'm making like T8 like before things getting there. I want to see how it reacts here. If it reacts here, right, then I'm all right. I don't need to worry about like this area. But if it and yeah, you see confluences is everywhere. Like wait, if I pull even a fib from this swing low to this swing high, or maybe not from this, maybe even from lower. Not really, but yeah, just need to play around and get a feel what works, what doesn't work. But yeah, what about this? Yeah, this is kind of the same, I think, as if hold. Yeah, same. Like yeah, you see like 618 matching it. I would say this is like really nice level to look at for longs. Previous range value area high to keep it simple. And yeah, we have single prints, we have fair value gaps. Maybe let's see, we have maybe we have some order blocks even. Oh yeah, baby, we do. We do, yeah. This is yeah major area to look for longs. Not financial advice, by the way, as always. Just my TA.
Um, although this, so again, if you switch back to my chart really quick, um, I didn't add another thing. So this move, this pivot point, we also have time on it. So what Gann allows you to do is it allows you to not just see price when it happens, it also allows you to see in the future. So this move that I'm talking about, this pivot point, can happen anywhere in between now and 6 to 8 hours. So this will be today or whatever time zone you're at. This is, by the way, chart of New York time, just so you guys know. And yeah, so this move is supposed to happen between now and the next 6 to 8 hours. We'll see. And we can also time the moves of what Crypto G is showing as well. But we're not going to do that right now. But we can also see approximately when his stuff can happen, which is pretty cool. We can basically predict the future.
And if we, am I back? Yeah.
Yep.
And if we, like hypothetically, right, don't see any like reaction from this area, but I really doubt it. Like we will not see like reaction. We will see reaction to many conferences. But all right, if we don't see reaction and we keep going lower, right, then then I'm looking even lower, I guess.
Oh yeah.
So like
Easy. Like I
breaking
said,
like
we're
support, eating
59.
through liquidity, and
Yeah.
then I would look for retracement with
Yeah.
some confluence to enter a short. But
Yep.
this is like a shot that I definitely gonna shoot, no
Yeah.
doubt about it.
For
So
sure.
this is some some free sauce for you.
Free sauce,
Go
guys. And
ahead.
I understand you have to understand time frames, right? So everything is the same, but within a 4 hour chart, you might see one wave, right? On a 1 hour, you will see multiple waves in that 4 hour. This is 101 trading, right? On a 30 minute, you'll see more waves. So you're gonna see a lot of these ups and downs. Our mission is to figure out where those supports, where those resistances, where those fair value gaps are, where the Gann arcs are, and just because it bounced somewhere doesn't mean it's a reversal to an up move again. It just means that it's still a
Don't
down
forget,
move.
guys, we are in an uptrend. This is
Yeah,
very important.
absolutely. So always remember the traditional higher highs and higher lows, and higher lows and lower lows, or lower highs and lower lows. You have to absolutely understand what a trend is, and you always trade the trend. You try not to trade against the trend for position trading or whatnot, but scalps obviously you're going to be, or day trades, you're going to be trading against the grain. And then your mission is to find the reversal points.
Hey, I got a kind of a slang. I'm trying to like pitch this. I think we're in institutional FOMO.
Yeah, institutions definitely pull in.
Yep.
Yeah, there's banks that buying the top, like
Oh,
Grayscale. Listen,
thank you.
Grayscale,
Thank you for reminding me. I wanted to show you
but
something after.
bought like
Yeah.
at 68 or whatever, like at this
Mhm.
area. So imagine if they bought there, and if price will come down there, they buy more just to go scoop that shit up
Well,
and just
and
enter that price.
look at Michael Saylor,
Yeah, yeah,
MicroStrategy.
yeah. I'm
Like if
about to show you him.
so, like here's the big picture though, from my perspective, it's like we're 93% sold on all the Bitcoin that'll ever be created, and
That
we
screenshot is screen.
at the same time we are infinite supply of Sol. So put
Yeah.
put
Like
yourself
that.
in a position like how many altcoins do you want to own that have literally no chance on that
Yeah.
scale between the top and the bottom, right?
Yeah, yeah, fuck that. I don't like altcoins anymore. I'm past that. Everyone has that stage when they're into altcoins when they're new, but eventually you're just gonna become a trader if that's your goal, and you will understand that it doesn't matter bear bull market what else you have. There's only one coin, which should be accumulated, which is Bitcoin. And even then, you might not want to accumulate anything in
And
this space.
XRP, guys, and XRP. Don't forget XRP.
Okay, we'll include Crypto G's XRP. Fine, and that's coming from me. Anyways, guys, let me show you something in regards to what we were just speaking about. I thank you for reminding me, because I saved a video for us to react on. I just sounded like Andrew Tate or Tristan Tate. But anyways, let's take a look. Enough talking.
Dang.
Can you guys hear good?
Yeah. Oh, no sound, Dennis. No sound.
We could hear you good, not the video.
Yeah. No sound. No sound at all, man.
No sound?
Yeah.
Oh, my bad. Here. I didn't know. Thank God you guys told me. So I'm gonna present a screen, share screen, my entire screen. Also share sound. There we go. Boom.
The smart money is
now?
buying Bitcoin because it is the crypto commodity network. It is the decentralized asset without an issuer, right? The dumb money is buying everything else.
That's right. That's right.
So I don't worry about the people joining our network. We're winning the smart ones, and they're going to fight to defend the values of Bitcoin. You want to worry about it, right? Your enemies aren't the people buying Bitcoin because they want a decentralized crypto asset that's without an issuer. Your enemies are the people that are buying an inferior asset like gold or real estate or equity or bonds. Those are the people that actually have the vested interest in undermining Bitcoin.
BlackRock's venture into Bitcoin has sparked controversy, especially.
He's basically trashing traditional finance, guys. Like, to the max.
Dude. He's also the Joe Biden of crypto.
Why do you say that?
He's all in. Like, he's literally going to rug his traditional market investors by constantly leveraging his company against traditional market shares and dumping them, and all in into Bitcoin. So he's like rug pulling retail Wall Street and all in on Bitcoin. Like, what?
Again, we are with him, right? Most of us are in crypto here, and I really like, he's literally saying that our enemy are the people who are investing in traditional shit. This is crazy. Like, he's all in on the Bitcoin, and look what it's doing to it. Like, BlackRock is buying, Grayscale is buying, Panthera is buying, ETFs are skyrocketing. This is why everything is pointing at a super cycle.
I'll send you one video real quick. I want you to play it on stream.
It's kind of, to me, it's kind of like a rug on the top of a rug on top of a rug. He's going to pull the Wall Street guys, then he's literally going to pull the Wall Street like ETFs, and then he's going to walk away with nothing but Bitcoin, and no one can touch him because he's going to have a boating accident.
We're going to clip that, and we're going to see CNC as WD Gann predictor. Actually, you're probably not too far off, man. But I think that guy is not like a regular guy that can be killed. Like, dude, that guy is elusive. He's like a fucking legendary viper of fucking Valhalla Oceans, man. Like, you can't find that kid on the street.
He's got a like a little apartment next to Oprah's on Maui or whatever in the bunker. John McAfee's down the hall.
Okay, I'm gonna play this video for our XRP fanboy.
Which one's the best crypto asset? Well, Bitcoin's the best crypto asset. Okay, what's the second best? There is no second best. There's no second best crypto asset.
Nope.
There's a crypto asset. It's called Bitcoin, right? Right? There's no second best. Okay. But take all your money, buy Bitcoin, then take all your time, figure out how to borrow more money to buy more Bitcoin, then take all your time and figure out what you can sell to buy Bitcoin. And if you absolutely love the thing that you don't want to sell it, go mortgage your house and buy Bitcoin with it. And if you've got a business that you love because your family works for the business, it's in your family for 37 years, and you can't bear to sell it, mortgage it, finance it, and convert the proceeds into the hardest money on earth, which is Bitcoin.
You heard it loud and clear, guys.
I couldn't have said it better, man. Where'd you find this gold? Oh man,
secret.
this is fucking funny, man.
Secret, top secret.
All right, guys. I think we should call it here. We are missing JCast today, so it's not a full team. We also told you everything there is to know. Sometimes it's a quick update. Like, there's nothing to talk about. We don't want to sound like a broken record.
Guys, like when we gonna get bigger, when we gonna get more viewers and in the live stream, you will just like shout out your coin, like what you want to see a TA on, and we will do it, man. Like it's I have a bunch of TA on a bunch of coins, but I'm not a financial advisor. I don't know what you want to see.
We want to see our chat interaction growing, and you guys can throw in live questions and we'll answer you. We'll show you TA on the coins you ask for. Right now, we simply don't know what the public wants. We need to grow a little bit. So please hit that follow.
I think we can do like
hit that
ETH
subscribe.
real quick. Like as ETH, like Bitcoin and ETH is like two main things, huh?
ETH, we already know. It went up. Let's look at it. You're right. Let's look at it
out.
I think also everyone should just let us know if you want someone to be interviewed. Like we can reach out to them, see if they want to have a chat. We're supportive. We don't bring people on the show to tear them apart. We just want to hear what they have to say.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely. We've been looking hard for a second guest. I'm sure you saw our podcast with Blino.
All right, guys.
We're looking for a new guest.
Real quick. What I can say, ETH looking basically same as Bitcoin. I ain't gonna like talk a lot. Like there's nothing to chart actually. Yeah, basically same
shit.
Same thing as Bitcoin. Like same. If ETH goes lower, this is some areas that I'm looking for to long. If ETH goes lower, then
StarX, we know that.
I will tell you.
Chuck Gann Norris saying smooth love potion to the moon. Absolutely. People who know, they know what he's talking about. StarX, ETH also has no max supply between. Yep. Yuppers.
Wait. Tell me again. So it's like infinity ETH?
Yeah. Because it's staking, right? So it keeps producing.
All right,
the rewards,
guys,
unlimited rewards.
Who all ETH? Like hell, fuck,
Yeah, it's different though, because they do have a burning mechanism implemented into it, and they also hold 90% of smart contracts on their network.
Like for example, same as currency, like fiat. They take some of fiat. They take some like fiat, and they throw it out like they destroy it. They cut it like physically cut it.
Yep.
Fiat burns too, but.
It burns too, although they burn much less, just like Ethereum burns much less than it's created, but it doesn't mean anything. It doesn't mean that it can't strive. It doesn't mean that it can't keep going up. The money inflows are insane nowadays, so it doesn't really matter.
The point of what matters, I think, is how much speculation. Like the speculation drives the price. Period. If you're willing to pay for it, that's the fair price.
Yep. This is really, really, really nice buying tail. As you see, we made a swing failure of this low here. I don't know. I just would from now on ETH. What I would do for ETH, I would delete everything here. I would keep it really, really as simple. I wanted to see like rejections coming in. And guys, look, as I mentioned in previous live stream, take this, right, like that. Take this like that, bang. This is your trading range. Yeah, you had to long. You had already possibility to long, right here.
Yep, we made that call, didn't we?
I don't remember, man. Maybe, bro. Like,
so.
We made so many calls. Yeah, you already would be up like what? Like oh my god, like crazy amount of money. Doesn't matter.
So. Chuck Gann Norris is saying, don't sleep on Ethereum Classic. It will explode soon enough. I agree. And I also put Bitcoin Cash in that category as well. Ethereum Classic, even though it's an oldie, but it's a goodie. So let's just call it here, guys, because we just sound like a broken record now. Thank you everybody for tuning in. We'll update you tomorrow. We'll see how the pivot point turns out. We'll see if the FVG for CryptoG worked out, and yeah, we'll update you on anything that's happening. We try to do it daily for you guys, and we are looking for a guest. So hit that follow, hit that like, and see you guys later.
Guys, one more thing. If you want to see somebody on our podcast, just type in the chat, type in the comments what you would like to see in our next podcast. Yeah, that's it, I guess.
Me monta en la ruta.
Dímelo, yo.
Par de gatilleros y huele a gran puta.